In this tutorial today, we'll be looking at how to evaluate 307 raised to 2. So any number in this form, 307, maybe 109, 120, wherever, raised to 2. Here is it. 307. This implies multiply by 307. Now first, multiply these two digits. 7 times 7 will give us 49. I'll write a 49 here. Okay, now multiply these two times. 3 times 3, that will give us 9. Okay, the next thing is 7 times 3, that will give us 21. Now 3 also times 7, that will give us 21. Add these two digits together. Here we have 42. 42. Final answer. Thank you. Please share this video with other learners. Bye bye.